Family, hello beautiful family, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious green salsa. Yes, you heard correct. Raw green salsa that I know you guys are going to love and is perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are the ingredients to prepare the raw green salsa. We need 1 cup of water, half an onion, coriander or cilantro, garlic cloves, serrano chiles, jalapeño chiles, tomatillos, pink Himalaya salt, black pepper. This is everything we need to prepare this amazing and delicious raw green salsa. Perfect for this hot weather. So let's get started. I want to show you here that I have 5 chiles serranos and I have 3 chiles jalapeños. This combination makes this raw salsa amazing. Of course, the tomatillos and the cilantro. Of course, we're going to go to the sink and we are going to rinse them very good through running water. Every single tomatillo, every chili, making sure that they are rinsed completely. You know that this is the most important part, rinsing your veggies before you use them. Okay, these are done. I'm going to go ahead, transfer them to the table, and I am going to rinse my coriander or my cilantro. I'm going to rinse it through the running water, leaf by leaf, making sure that I rinse it very well. And of course, this part is important. You want to make sure that everything is nice and rinsed. And now let's go to the table. And here on the table, I want to show you, I want to start with the jalapeños, taking the stems off. Of course, we're not going to use the stems. I'm just going to chop them just like this. I am going to put them aside. I'm going to continue with the chiles serranos. Of course, you might be thinking this salsa is going to be really spicy. Actually, it's not going to be spicy because the tomatillo, it's kind of sour and it's going to bring down the heat of the chilies. But the salsa comes out amazing. And the best part is that you don't even have to turn on your stove to make this amazing salsa. It goes perfect with crispy tacos, with grilled chicken, carne asada, you name it. Look at this. I chopped everything, not really small, just chopped it so that it will work into my blender. And my blender doesn't have to work too much to blend everything that is going to be raw completely. And here I am ready to start adding all the ingredients into my blender. You might be thinking, how is she going to blend all this with just 1 cup of water? Yes, you only need 1 cup. Don't add more, because if you add more, it's going to be, the salsa is going to be very runny. And that's exactly what you don't want. You want a chunky salsa. Look at this. I have the cilantro here. I'm just going to cut the edges and I'm going to chop away. Not finely, just chop it away and add it to your blender. That's everything you need to do. It really doesn't take too long to make this amazing and delicious raw green salsa. Look at this. Everything is nice and chopped. And you could even see the pieces in there. And now I am ready to add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and the water. Remember, you are going to have all the ingredients in the description box to make it easier for you to make this amazing and delicious green raw salsa. Now that I have everything in here, okay, let me show you how much water it is from the bottom of the blender. Now I am ready to blend, and I'm going to blend it, and I'm going to leave it in real time. I'm not gonna cut. I'm gonna leave it in real time. And now it's done. Now that it's blended, I am ready to show you how chunky this salsa is. Look at this. Look how chunky and thick the salsa is. It smells amazing. It's refreshing. Like I said, the tomatillo has a little bit of the lemon flavor, and when it's raw, it really penetrates on the rest of the ingredients. And the combination of the chile serrano and the jalapeno, perfection made at home. Look how delicious and thick this looks. You could enjoy it with any kind of dish, or even with just chips or tostadas. I am ready for the presentation, so I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am done with this raw green salsa. This is the part that I really love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Of course, I am going to try it with some tostadas. You could make carne asada, chicken, grilled chicken, even in flautas or taquitos. You could add this amazing green raw salsa. I know that you guys are going to love this salsa, especially that you don't need to turn on your stove. You don't need to get your kitchen nice and hot because it's hot already here in California. Just make this salsa. I am sure you guys are going to love it. It doesn't come out too spicy. It's nice and chunky. But I want to stop talking, and I really want to taste this amazing salsa. Look at this. Like I said, goes perfect with tacos de carne asada, crispy tacos, grilled chicken. You decide. But now I am going to try it with this amazing tostada. Excuse me. The flavor is so refreshing. The tomatillos and the combination of the chilies, just perfection made at home. You guys are really going to love this amazing raw salsa. Like I said, it comes out very chunky, very delicious. The taste is amazing. And of course, I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. You make it at home. You enjoy it with your family like I enjoy it with my family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of my family. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.